Today, I'm going to show you how to use Hostinger PDF Embed to add a PDF viewer to your website in a simple, clean, and professional way. This is a great method if you want to display a brochure, guide, menu, portfolio, ebook, catalog, or any other PDF directly on your page without forcing visitors to download it first. And best of all, I'll walk you through the entire process step by step so you can follow along easily, even if this is your first time using Hostinger Website Builder. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy website tutorials just like this. It really helps the channel, and it tells me to keep making these beginner-friendly guides for you. Alright, let's get into it. First, log into your Hostinger account by going to hpanel.hostinger.com. Once you're inside your dashboard, look at the left-hand menu and click on Websites. From there, find the website you want to edit and click Edit Website next to it. This will open the Hostinger Website Builder. Now that you're inside the builder, you need to create enough space for your PDF to sit properly on the page. To do that, click Add Section on your Canvas page and choose Blank Section. This gives you a clean, empty area to work with. After that, drag the bottom boundary of the section downward to create more vertical space. This is important because PDF embeds usually need enough room to display correctly and avoid looking cramped. Next, we need to prepare the PDF file itself. Open a new browser tab and go to drive.google.com. Once Google Drive loads, click New, then choose File Upload. Select your PDF file from your computer and wait for the upload to finish. When the file is uploaded, double-click it to open the preview. Inside the preview, look for the Share button in the top right corner and click it. In the sharing settings, find General Access and change it from Restricted to Anyone with the link. This part is very important because if the file stays restricted, your visitors may not be able to view it on your website. Once you change the permission, click Done. Now let's generate the embed code. With the PDF open in Google Drive, go to File and then Open and click Open in New tab. Once it opens in the new tab, go back to File, then Share and click Get Embed Link. A pop-up will appear with the embed code for the file. Copy that embed code carefully and then click OK. Now return to your Hostinger Website Builder tab. On the left sidebar toolbar, click the Add Element Plus icon. Search for the embed code element, then drag and drop it into the blank section you created earlier. Once the embed block is placed on the page, click it and choose Enter Code. Remove any placeholder text that may already be in the field, then paste your Google Drive embed code into the editor. After that, click Embed Code to apply it. At this point, you should see the embed box on your page. You can now adjust its size by dragging the handles directly on the canvas. If the PDF looks too small, stretch it wider or taller so it fits your layout better. For a smoother viewing experience, it's often a good idea to increase the height of the embed frame. To do that, click Enter Code again and edit the height value inside the HTML. For example, if you see height equals 480, you can increase it to 800 or even 880 depending on how much of the PDF you want visible at once. Then click Embed Code again to save the changes. Now don't forget the mobile view. Click the mobile phone icon in the top toolbar to switch to mobile viewport. This lets you see how the PDF embed will look on smaller screens. Resize the embed box so it fits neatly and doesn't get clipped or awkwardly cut off. Mobile optimization is really important because a lot of your visitors will view your site from their phones. One thing to remember here is that you may not see the PDF fully interactive inside the editor preview. That's completely normal. The final result usually appears properly only after you publish the page. So once everything looks good, go to the top right corner and click Update Website or Go Live to publish it. And that's it. You've now learned how to use Hostinger PDF Embed to place a PDF viewer directly on your website using a Google Drive embed link. This is a smart way to share documents in a polished and professional format while keeping your site organized and easy to use. If this video helped you, please hit the like button, subscribe for more Hostinger tutorials, and leave a comment if you want me to cover more website builder tricks next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.